Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting immediate data. Put the watch on the wrist you sleep with and make sure it's snug but comfortable. Open the bow at App, grant motion and health permissions, and enable sleep mode. This lets the watch sample movement and heart rate. Next, set your typical sleep window. This helps algorithms. Once done, decide between automatic detection or tapping start sleep on the watch. Automatic is easier, manual gives cleaner segments for analysis. Once the tracker is running, make sure Bluetooth stays on so the app syncs periodic heart rate bursts and SpO2 samples. These drive sleep stage detection. Put the watch in Do Not Disturb or Theater mode to prevent false awakenings from haptics. If you wake during the night, tap Mark Awake on the watch or add a note in the app. This separates naps and interruptions from core sleep. These small actions improve the how and why of stage accuracy when you review results. When you wake, sync the watch right away so the app can compute a sleep score and stage breakdown. You'll see light, deep, REM, and awake durations. You can export a CSV or snapshot to track trends or share with a clinician. If tracking fails, first restart the app and repair the device, then check for firmware updates. This resolves most sensor or syncing bugs. If problems persist, reset watch network settings and try one more recording.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.